Welcome back to PAMAX Tactical. Today we're going to be talking about our BCG coating, XSlick. Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be talking about XSlick. XSlick is a proprietary coating from PAMAX Tactical that we use on the majority of our bulk carrier groups. The XSlick coating is designed to offer a lower coefficient of friction than standardized bulk carrier groups such as parkerized or nitride coatings, and also has a lower coefficient of friction than coatings such as titanium nitride or nickel boron. The XSlick also will not crack or chip when dropped, unlike other coatings on the market. The XSlick coating is also impervious to chemical cleaners. You can use whichever chemical cleaner on the market you can think of on these bulk carrier groups, and it will retain its integrity through the life cycle of the bulk. Another key feature of XSlick is that it is recoatable. Your bulk carrier group from PAMAX Tactical includes a lifetime guarantee. If something happens to the bulk carrier group, PAMAX Tactical will replace it. The coating itself is rated for 6,500 rounds. Should you manage to wear your coating out, or should you desire to have a fresh coating on your bulk carrier group, you can return the bulk carrier group to PAMAX Tactical and pay a surcharge to have it recoated, without having to go out and buy a brand new bulk carrier group. This is a critical service that we offer over other companies on the market. We currently offer the XSlick coating in 13 color options. We have 11 of those options here in front of us today. Metallic lime green or zombie green, metallic azure blue, metallic robin egg blue, metallic pink, metallic red, metallic orange, metallic gold, metallic silver, woodland camouflage, which is flat, non-metallic, a metallic OD green, and a metallic Magpul FD. The two colors that are not included of the 11 on this table are Spectrum and Midnight. Let's talk a little bit about the properties of what XSlick is. The coefficient of friction of XSlick is a 0.1 static. Nickel boron typically is a 0.1 and then rises all the way to 0.25, sometimes to 0.3, depending on the molecular structure of the coating. Nickel Teflon typically fluctuates between a 0.08 and a 0.1, depending on its molecular structure. So this is comparable to a nickel Teflon coating, with the added benefits that it won't crack or chip, and it does not get harmed by chemical cleaners like a nickel Teflon bulk carrier group would. Let's talk a little bit about self-lubricating bulk carrier groups. Self-lubricating bulk carrier groups is a marketing pitch and a sales gimmick. There's no such thing as a bulk carrier group that lubricates itself. Certain coatings provide lower coefficient of friction, such as the XSlick bulk carrier group, but if oil is not used along with those coatings, the life cycle of that coating and of your bulk carrier group long term will be significantly reduced. We recommend a small amount of oil being used at critical locations on the bulk carrier group on all of your high friction points, such as here on the lower bottom of the bulk carrier group, along the gas keys. You may apply some oil along the actual carrier as well. This will ultimately increase the lifespan of your carrier. XSlick coating is also rated for a max temperature of 1200 degrees and features a 200-hour runtime on our corrosion test, compared to nickel Teflon, which was 96 hours, and nickel boron, which was 48 hours. So this coating is 4 times more corrosion resistant than nickel boron bulk carrier groups. And it offers the key feature not only of a color option, but also a recoatable service. All right, so now that we've discussed a little bit about our XSlick coating, I also want to touch on our actual bulk carrier groups. Our bulk carrier groups are 100% USA manufactured. All the parts, every component is 100% USA, including material sourced. The actual bolt head will be a 9310 steel that is a nitrided finish. We do offer a premium Carpenter 158 steel should you so choose to upgrade that. Usually we use a 8620 for the carrier on all of our bolt carrier groups. They're going to be a grade 8 hardened fasteners. They're going to be properly staked. The staking is one of the hardest that we have found on the market currently. The actual extractor will be tool steel. The firing pin will be 17-4 H900 stainless steel, and this whole package weighs in about 11.4 to 11.5 ounces per bolt carrier group. All of our units are MPI inspected, usually within a 5% batch. So with the magnetical part inspection, we'll be looking for impurities in the metals during the manufacturing process to guarantee that our spec is there and that all of our units are 100% ready to go when it gets to your door. All of our profiles for our bolt carrier groups will be M16 profile, not AR-15, so that will give you a much longer life of your bolt carrier group with stresses induced, especially with higher cyclic rates. So currently we also offer on our site a new product from Space Rifle. It's called the Hatch, which works very well with our XSlick bolt carrier groups. It's going to be a clear polymer dust cover. It's actually extremely durable. Fitment is very nice, and it allows you to be able to see whatever color XSlick that you put into your upper receiver. So again, that's going to be the Hatch from Space Rifle, and we do offer that product on our website currently as well. So in closing, just to go over the pros and cons of XSlick compared to a coating such as nickel boron, which we use because it's the more commonly known bolt carrier group coating. XSlick is never going to crack or chip like a nickel boron coating will. It's going to be impervious to cleaners, unlike a nickel Teflon coating. You're going to have a reduced coefficient of friction than a nickel boron. You're going to be able to recoat your bolt carrier group to maximize the warranty we offer with the bolt carrier group. Be able to recoat that carrier time and time again for a minor surcharge rather than have to go and buy another bolt carrier group. It's going to have a higher temperature operation at 1200 degrees compared to a much lower threshold nickel boron bolt carrier groups. And you're going to have 4 times more corrosion resistance with our XSlick coating compared to nickel boron. The life cycle of the coating, again, is usually around 6,500 rounds before recoat is required. But that's in a nutshell what the pros and cons are between the two. We hope you enjoyed for watching. Thanks. Like, subscribe. Have a great day.